In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Hostinger auto renewal. Managing your online tools effectively can save you both time and money, and understanding how to control your subscription settings is a big part of that. Let's dive right into the process and I'll guide you through it step by step. Firstly, navigate to Hostinger's official website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, simply type www.hostinger.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Go ahead and input the necessary information and you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access account sharing. This is your portal to manage all things related to your account's administration. To find it, you need to look at the sidebar menu on the left side of your dashboard. Here, there's a series of options meant to help you navigate easily through your account settings. Click on account sharing and it will open up a new set of options. Next, let's head over to billing. The billing section is where all your payment configurations are housed, including the choice to enable or disable automatic renewals. Once inside account sharing, a few options will present themselves. You need to find and click on billing, which should be a straightforward task since it's plainly labelled. Now here's where you gain control over your renewal settings. Once you're in the billing section, look for an option that allows you to manage your subscriptions. There should be a visible toggle or button that indicates the status of your auto renewal feature. If the auto renewal setting is currently enabled, you'll want to disable it. Click on the toggle or button to turn off the auto renewal, and just like that, you've successfully disabled your Hostinger auto renewal. This means that when your current subscription runs its course, it won't automatically renew, avoiding any unwanted charges. Remember, if your needs change and you want to re-enable auto renewal, you can always return to this section and turn it back on. Managing subscriptions is an important part of digital accountability, helping you avoid unnecessary charges and empowering you to only pay for services that you actively choose to maintain. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now able to manage your Hostinger settings with confidence. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.